Welcome to MeeLearn-Chinese.
Hey, it's Rose Lee. I'm hosting a Chinese conversational lesson. In this lesson, you will learn how to use 在上面、下面、里面、外面 to express locations. You will also learn the difference between 在 and 在上面、下面、里面、外面。
丽丽，我的手机在哪里？
在桌子上面。
我的包呢？
在桌子下面。
大伟，你的水瓶在沙发上面，鞋子在沙发下面，书在沙发前面，篮球在沙发后面，太乱了，去收拾。Let's learn directions. 上面 on or on top, above. 下面 under or beneath. 前面 in front of. 后面 behind. 里面 inside. 外面 outside. 在 versus 在上面，在下面，在里面 or 在外面。If it's a relatively big place, like a country, a city, or a school, a company, or a house, a room, then you just need the following structure to show locations. Subject plus 在 plus place. For example, 我在北京 I'm in Beijing. More examples. 他在中国 He's in China. 爸爸在美国 Dad is in America. 他在学校 He's at school. 妈妈在厨房 Mom is in the kitchen. If the location is a relatively small place and it's in relation to another object, for example, on the table or under the table, you need to put 上面 which is on or on top of, and 下面 which is under or beneath after that object. For example, to say on the table, you need to say 在 plus table plus on. To say under the table, you need to say 在 plus table plus under. Let's look at the sentence structure. Subject plus 在 plus location or an object plus 上面 or 下面 or 里面 or 外面. For example, to say your cell phone is on the table, the structure is like this. Your cell phone plus 在 plus table plus on. So that is 你的手机在桌子上面。More examples. 你的包在桌子下面 Literally, your bag at table under. Your bag is under the table. 他的书在盒子里面 Literally, his book at box inside. His book is inside of the box. 爸爸的鞋子在沙发前面 Literally, Dad's shoes in sofa front. Daddy's shoes are in front of the sofa. 哥哥的篮球在沙发后面 Literally, older brother's basketball in sofa behind. Older brother's basketball is behind the sofa. Common mistakes here. For this sentence, your cell phone is on the table. Students often say, 你的手机是上面桌子. First of all, you don't need that 是. Second, 上面 and 桌子 should be flipped around. So the correct sentence is, 你的手机在桌子上面. Now let's review. 桌子 table. 包 bag or purse. 鞋子 shoe. 篮球 basketball. 沙发 sofa or couch. 书 book. 上面 on top or above. 下面 under or beneath. 前面 in front of or ahead. 后面 behind or at the back of. 里面 inside. 外面 outside. 你的手机在桌子上面 Your cell phone is on the table. 你的包在桌子下面 Your bag is under the table. 你的水瓶在沙发上面 Your water bottle is on the sofa. 你的鞋子在沙发下面 Your shoes are under the sofa. 你的书在沙发前面 Your books are in front of the sofa. 你的篮球在沙发后面。Your basketball is behind the sofa. 乱 messy. 太乱了 too messy. 收拾 clean up, tidy up, organize. 去收拾 go clean up. Now it's time for a culture tip. This woman, her name is Wang Li. She lost her job after a large-scale layoffs in her company. She said this to herself. 我上有老，下有小，怎么办呢？ Literally, I above have old, below have little. What do I do? What does this sentence mean? If you look at the family tree of Wang Li, you will understand. Above her are her old parents. Below her are her young children. 上有老，下有小 is a Chinese idiom. It means having old people to care for and young children to raise. It describes a situation where a person is sandwiched between the responsibilities of taking care of their elderly parents and raising their own children at the same time. This idiom is often used to express a heavy burden and pressure on individuals who are trying to balance the needs of multiple generations in their family. It's a reminder of the importance of family values in Chinese culture and the duty of younger generations to care for their elders. That's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye!